Today we're going to talk about how to keep your employees.
I'm a wanted man. I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man. I'm a wanted man.
All right, before we get into this, guys, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notifications for the new videos that are coming up. We're going to keep pounding this full of information as much as we can jam in of value into each video. I appreciate you spending time with me. I appreciate this time we get to spend on every video made. It is truly fun, and it's truly a pleasure to know that there's someone out there that wants to see this, that sees that value and will take some time and get that out of there. So getting into it today, we're talking about keeping employees. I know this is a huge problem. I am not perfect. I am learning. I am having the problem myself. And so far, the things that we're doing to prevent losing employees, having employee issues, is we are bettering our company. We are growing our company to make sure we can offer more and more to our employees. I've always based off of my decisions. It's not always like perfectly financial or perfectly calculated. It's what does the future hold? It is what do we need to do to ensure this next big thing, or to ensure this future growth, or to ensure this future vision for whatever that is. The big thing that we've done. We initiated some health insurance before for our office and tried to do it with an employer or two before, but we weren't full-time enough through the season to continue offering it. And now we've officially announced that we are going to be contributing to health insurance for our crew leaders, because our crew leaders, based on a certain structure, are going to be full-time. Now, they may lose that eligibility if they can't work enough through the winter. If they end up getting laid off, they will not be classified as a full-time employee anymore. And there's some technical jargon that we're having our lawyer dig through and really finalize and make sure this is great. But the cost to train, keep, raise up through the ladders and build a crew leader and all these other things that go into it is small compared to what if a benefit like this will keep them around will cost the business. There are so many things that I try to look at future-wise. I want you to use this vision for everything in your business. Is that paying them $1 more, even though it seems painful? Can we tweak? The customers are covering all these costs anyway. Is there a way we can tweak and pay them $1 more, $5 more, $10 more an hour, so this job's the best job in town? My whole game plan about this place and to make it easier, it's not going to be any easier to get great employees and get them to stick around if you're offering the same thing everybody else is offering. That's just like selling work. If you're offering the exact same thing everybody else is offering, why would they go to you? What's the point of going to you? You offer zero advantage. You're selling the exact same thing. If you sell it more, I'll just go to that guy. It's the exact same thing. Well, the same thing happens with our employees. If we are offering them no benefits, if everybody pays $12 an hour, $15 an hour, if we just pay $15 an hour, there's no incentive to work for me versus them. So anything in your business, if you're wanting to figure out how to make it better, how to have better employees that last longer, you got to figure out how to offer more. You got to figure out how to build your business to a point where you can offer more. And you've got to take that jump. I'm taking a jump of faith that this is going to be the right thing. There's people that are going to watch this, that are going to be shaking their heads, hitting the dislike button, saying this is wrong. It's not going to work. It's going to cost too much. It was something we did before, and when I thought that this was getting released the first time, I had that same thing. People said it was going to cost too much to do. And we initiated in the office, and it didn't kill us. And now we're going to take it to the crew leaders in the field, which we tried to before and didn't quite work out then. But now we think we've got this figured out where they're going to be working full time. And the name of my game is just have the best guys. So we need to incentivize them that this is the best place to work, and we need to make a great working environment for them. We need to have the best setup so it's efficient and they can enjoy their job. We need to have the best benefits, the best things that people offer, so we can attract the best employees, retain the best employees, do the best work, the most challenging work that pays us the biggest profit margins and gives us a truly amazing company. So I wanted to take this little bit of time about how I view on keeping employees, the ideas that we're shooting for, the things that we're going to be doing to make this happen, to push into the future, and give you ideas. And the little nugget, the little piece of this is there is so much more than just how to keep employees. This thought process can be applied to anything in your business. If you're wanting to sell the pavers for more, if you're wanting to sell the plants for more, if you're wanting to sell something for more, if you're wanting to have more customers, you're wanting to attract certain things, focus on how to not be competing with other people. You need to be like on a whole different level. Whether that be instead of selling landscaping, you're selling art. There's no price. You can't put a price on art. You're trying to get the best employee. You offer the best for the employees. You're trying to get the most leads. You have the most creative marketing, the most out there, whole different strategy marketing, because being run of the mill, being right in line with what everyone else is doing will not pay big dividends. Guys, thanks for hanging around and watching this for me. If this meant something to you, if you've had employee problems and this sparked interest, even if it wasn't the benefits of insurance, if it sparked the thought in your mind that this helped you, share this with someone else that it could help as well. Give this a like if you love this. Hit that thumbs up. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you think it's too much, it's ridiculous, it's a stupid idea, please give me a thumbs down. I would appreciate that, along with a comment. Interaction pushes this channel. It makes things go forward with this channel, and that is my driving passion, with spreading information and sharing information with everybody else. So while you're at it, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. You can follow us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Keep saying, man, I've only got a few videos on TikTok. It really isn't coming around that quick, but I'm shooting for it. I'm really trying. Again, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Talk to you soon.